In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Click on Google Password Manager and select the password that you wish to check. Now enter your screen lock. And last but not least, use this eye icon next to your passwords to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!